How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. This is my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm going to show you how to properly install a glass screen protector on it. The screen protector that I'm using for this is ESR. I'm going to link it in the description box below if you want to pick up this exact one. This is my preferred brand for screen protector. I've used them in the past, and they're just very, very excellent fit. They're really good quality. They last a long time. So definitely my favorite brand for screen protectors. This is the screen protector itself right here, as you can see. And very, very nice. Thin piece of glass. You want to be careful with it that you don't bend it too much because it could potentially crack or break, so we don't want to do that. And the first thing that I do notice compared to previous years, the notch piece right here, it's definitely a lot smaller because of the smaller notch on the iPhone 13 Pro Max and all the iPhone 13 lineups. So we do get this little package included with it, and this one is our cleaning kit. So the cleaning kit does include a little sticker, includes a wipe, and includes the wet wipe. So that's very, very handy. So we definitely need those. And then the kit inside of the packaging also does include this, which is an aligner tool, which we're going to use. So I'm going to show you how to properly use all of these things. So first thing, let's go ahead and flip over the iPhone right here, and we'll rest it just on the original packaging. It's gonna wiggle a little bit because of the bump of the camera. So you know what, it is what it is. There's really no other options to put it on properly. We have to do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take first the wet wipe, and we're going to wet wipe it clean right here. There we go. All right, we'll wet it all around, and not to worry about damaging your phone at all. It is water resistant, so you could technically put it under water and it's not going to wreck anything. So these wet wipes are perfectly safe. And then we're going to dry it with the dry wipe right there. All right, perfect, looking good, nice and clean. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the sticker piece right here, and this is to get any other pieces of dust specks off of the screen. So make sure you're doing this in a dust-free environment as well, so you don't have anything that goes on your screen. So we just kind of tap all the way around, make sure it looks good to go. There we go. Okay, we'll put the sticker down and then grab your alignment tool and just place it down, firmly press on all four sides so you know that it's on there. And then we're gonna grab our screen protector right here, and we're gonna flip it around, and the sticker side we wanna pull off. You wanna make sure that you know exactly which way it goes. Okay, so we're good. So the sticker side down, the writing side down. And we're gonna do one last little dust removal, just in case any other specks got on there before we put it on. And then you wanna quickly take off the back piecing, and then go from the top down and make sure it's in the alignment right here, and you just want to kind of drop it in there. And then I know you can see it healing, but you want to draw a line in the middle. Draw a line. That's going to help heal both sides down perfectly even. You can still see there's bubbles in there, but not to worry. It's okay. You can see that bubble is all healed. This one's not healing, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the tool right here, and we'll grab one of the soft wipes right here. We'll take that tool aside, and we're just going to push the bubbles just right out. So we can see, we can use our fingers actually even too. Push, 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 push. There we go. Any other little bits of bubbles and stuff, you can just push right out. It's not a problem. There's not going to be any dust specks or anything like that. You'll see little itty bitty pieces of bubbles, and you can just push those out. So it's different from the previous year's screen protectors, like the non-glass ones. It's really hard to get those bubbles out. The glass ones, you can literally just put a little bit of pressure and just push it all out. Sometimes it'll just heal perfectly without having a single bubble at all, but sometimes it will. And you can see right there, a little bit of bubble on the edge, and there we go. A little bit more right there. Perfect. All right, awesome. Looks good, perfectly aligned because of our alignment tool. No bubbles or anything like that. Here, a few more right here will get pushed out. There we go. Awesome. No dust underneath. It looks great. I love it. That's how you perfectly install a glass screen protector on an iPhone 13 Pro Max, any one of the newer iPhones. If this video was helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And like I said, I'll link the exact screen protector that I used in this video in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.